Hi everyone! Today I will show you a super easy kimbap recipe made with a crunchy cucumber and creamy tuna mayo. And there is even a bonus version with the perilla leaves and kimchi. So stay tuned until the end. Drain the tuna well using a strainer. This helps keep the kimbap clean and neat. No excess moisture leaking out when you roll it. Then mix the drained tuna with the seasonings. 2 tablespoons of mayo, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a bit of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of wasabi, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Don't worry, wasabi won't make it spicy. It just adds a savory depth and balances out the richness. It smells so good already. Let's slice the cucumber using a slicer. We won't be using the middle part with all the seeds and moisture, but don't throw away, it's crunchy and great to snack on later. If you don't have a slicer, just use a knife to cut it into thin mesh sticks. Today, we are not salting the cucumber, we are using it fresh for that cool, crisp texture. It really brightens up the kimbap and makes it feel refreshing. Seasoning the rice. Prepare 2 bowls of warm rice. Add about ½ teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and 1 tablespoon of ground sesame seeds. Mix gently so the rice doesn't get mushy. Place the slightly rough side of the kim facing up. Spread a thin layer of rice. Just leave a little space at the top. It makes rolling so much easier. Then place the half a piece of kim on top of the rice. This helps prevent the roll from tearing or bursting at the sides. Add a cucumber first, then the tuna mayo on top. Now gently roll it up. Don't press it too hard, just give the edge a firm tug. Too much pressure can squeeze out the moisture. Repeat for the remaining kimbap. Tuna cucumber kimbap is already delicious, but if you want something with a deeper Korean flavor, try adding some perilla leaves and well-ripened kimchi. This is aged kimchi that I rinsed lightly with cold water. Cut the kimchi into thin strips so it's easier to roll in the kimbap. Squeeze out the excess moisture. Now do the same. Spread the rice on kim. Place another piece of kim on top. Then layer 2 perilla leaves. They add such a fragrant aroma and go perfectly with the tuna. Next, add the kimchi, cucumber, and tuna mayo. Then roll it all up. This combination is really delicious too. Brush the rolled kimbap lightly with sesame oil and sprinkle some sesame seeds on top. When slicing, coat your knife with a bit of sesame oil to keep the rice from sticking. Let me try. Wow, this is so tasty. The rice is fluffy, the tuna is creamy, and the cucumber adds that crisp, refreshing crunch. Perfect for hot days when you don't feel like cooking. If you're looking for something easy but satisfying to eat this summer, this kimbap is a must try. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you again in the next one. Bye bye!